Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you'll find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it, and now let's tap on show your data. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, I've been using it for 51 minutes. What's more, here you can check how much time I've spent on particular apps. So the most of the time I've spent on the camera, but I've used also the settings and the albums. What's more, here you've got the unlocks and notifications count. After tapping on this graph, we can check the weekly graphs, so we will be able to check for how long we've been using the device in the previous days, and on which apps we've spent the most time. Of course, we can change the screen time to the notifications received or times opened. Let's get back, and under it you've got the ways to disconnect. So if you need the time for yourself, or for example you have to study, or you want to just focus, you can set the mode. So after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the apps from which you receive the most notifications, or which you distract you the most, and then your device will be able to limit them. So you will be able to focus. What's more, under it you've got reduce interruptions modes and sections, so you can manage notifications or enable do not disturb mode. Of course, you can enter parental controls here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.